Funk. Here we're going to do these two model reviews of this Bobcat 125 scale CT 235 compact tractor and this E20. This model was made in Europe. There's there's one that's a canopy version, which I have this one. There's another version, but I'll get that one and I'll do a review on that one. But let's get to the CT235. So I'm just gonna do a unboxing. So I might make like about 2 parts because it might take a couple of minutes. So yeah, and so I'm gonna unwrap all the packaging and we'll get started. Alright, let's start out with the details now. So here you got your operational arm and your operational moving bucket. The bucket detaches. The wheels steer. And for the back, you got these levers for the attachments, and you can actually move this, but I don't feel like it because I don't want to break it. So yeah. And now we're gonna get to the E20 compact excavator. Well, I actually bought this on a website. It was at I forget the website, but it says it right here. It's www.bobcat/eshop.eu, which was made by Universal Hobbies in France. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna unbox this. So yeah. So I just need to get the packaging all out. So yeah. Alright, there we go. So now we're going to start out with the details of this E20. So here's something that's really cool. It's got a thumb on it, which it doesn't have on the E55 and the E35, which I actually think this is a good idea. So yeah, I just need to put it up. There we go. And it has a 0-turn system, just like the E35. The bucket works. It's not detachable. The blade doesn't turn, but it goes up and down. The house swings. The tracks mostly kind of move. Yeah, it has to be on a hard surface. So yeah. But let's get to the box of this, which is really cool. It shows you the engine net power, which is 9.9 kilowatts, the operating weight in the canopy and the cabin, which is 1930/2011 kilograms. The dumping height, STD arm, is 2,566 millimeters. Dumping height, no, not the STD, which means standard, sorry about that. So the dumping on the long arm is 2,693 millimeters, and yeah. So yeah. So yeah. Actually, yeah, I'm pretty impressed with these models. These models are pretty nice. I like this one. It's a cool tractor. But the loader attachment is not detachable, which is good. Which I don't want to detach it anyways. But you can detach the bucket, like I said. So yeah. And it steers pretty good and it rolls pretty good. It's got the ROPS right here. So yeah. Alright, I will be doing a part 2 because I got a new model which is coming up, which is a 325X, and it will be coming up next.